When we think about AI, there are 4 areas of AI which are really important. One is robotics, then is NLP, natural language processing, it's machine learning, number 3, which has 2 parts to it, deep learning and neural networks. And finally, you have, for example, the important space of computer vision. All these 4 areas is what makes today's tools. The more we can harness information from this, the more we can really understand it. If you look at the business environment today, I don't think the NLP as such will really help people. What really helps people is to the operation and the functionality of NLP, or for example, machine learning. And this has been used at scale across in various different forms of tools which we currently use. So whether you use ChatGPT, OpenAI, the API format, or the one in a graphic user interface, or for example, if you use the ability to kind of create videos, for instance, or images using DALL-E 3, or for example, Anthropic, all these are using NLP or machine learning throughout their formation. What's interesting is that as we use these tools, it becomes easier and easier for human beings to operate them. So we don't need to understand machine learning or AI. All we do is we just enter information as normal human beings, typically in text input format. And then it generates for you understanding what the context is to NLP, and then using its intelligence, it's going to create some interesting outputs. But here's the important thing. To create the best output, you need the right input. And that requires, for example, a very important way to train the AI. Training AI is similar to like training your child on how to identify an apple or an orange. Typically, when you look to kind of create a knowledge in our kids' brains about apple or orange, we give them different examples of apples and oranges and correct them. So we say, hey, this is an apple, it looks red. This is an orange, it looks orange. It's a bit flatter on the top with the orange and a bit indented in the apple. That's how you train an AI as well. You give it different images or context to create different forms. And when you give it enough examples and correct it all the time, you can then create the AI training.